The airplane is one of the super classic boulder problems in Hampi. It is located in a small cave behind the old temple that is next to a lake. The boulder is balanced between two other rocks in such a way that it looks just like a plane mid-flight.
When things go wrong all the time, that look can change like that high tide.
The problem starts at the back of the left wing, and then you have to traverse your way to the front of the plane using a combination of toe hooks and heel hooks. The wing of the plane is rounded, so all of the handholds are pretty slopey, and it is difficult to keep your feet from slipping off the side.
Again, bad things are just a sign. Good things will happen in due time.
Once you are at the front, you still need to cross underneath the airplane to the other side, and from here, get on top of the cockpit. If you can do all of that without putting your feet on the right wall, then you've completed the problem.
So close your eyes, 'cause it's alright to say hello. Good night.
ね、色にかって。